So I'm here in Kentucky with some of our students, and we're actually going to a horse race. Here. What's the name of this track?
Keeneland.
Keeneland. This is Matt Carroll.
Hi.
Matt, where are you from?
Louisville, Kentucky.
Nice.
Louisville, as a lot of people say.
Matt, how long have you been in the Major League program?
About 6 months.
About 6 months, and just out of curiosity, you're an insurance agent, correct?
Yep.
And you're a solopreneur, just one man on the team?
It's me, yeah, it's just me.
Okay. Talk to me about where you were at 7 months ago before you joined Major League.
A lot of busy work. I'd like to think working harder instead of smarter.
Okay.
It's the quickest way to answer that. Harder instead of smarter.
And how has the program helped you in your business?
From the core up, it's fundamentally changed my mindset as to how to put what I offer in front of the right person. And also that I don't need to speak to everyone, because that's a big time waste. So I speak to the right people.
Yeah.
But I mean, you name it. If I call you Tuesday and we schedule a time, you're going to help me with whatever comes my way. And I think that's the thing I appreciate most. It's not take this or leave it. You're going to find a solution for me.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
Without naming names, you don't have to get into it, but you've been in other groups and other programs in the past, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
And what would you say is the main difference between our program and maybe some other programs that you've experienced in the past?
Well, so I have been in other programs, and at the end of the day, you'll learn and you can take advantage of a lot, and you'll get maybe what you want, but it just doesn't seem like they care.
Sure.
They don't care, and it's not like that with you and your group. At the end of the day, you want me to succeed.
Right.
You want me to succeed. That is important to you.
Yes.
And I haven't found that anywhere else.
Yeah.
I'm really happy. So.
Awesome, man. How would you say, a lot of people, and you mentioned it, they're intimidated by the idea of running ads on YouTube. How easy or how do we lay that out pretty well so that it's easy to grasp, easy to understand, it makes it a lot less intimidating?
Absolutely. And for me, what's more intimidating is becoming irrelevant or learning something new that's going to take you where you want to go.
Right.
It's really that